In order to complete the Plot Conflict WebQuest, first begin by clicking the link to open the WebQuest. When you open the WebQuest, you will be prompted to make a copy of the document in your own Google Drive. Please click Make a Copy. Once you have made a copy of the document, you will need to rename the document. First, delete Copy of and type your name, first name and last name. Once you've done that, on your first page, please type both your first name and last name again, and also put your homeroom teacher's name. The directions tell you to use the links included and complete the activities in the blue boxes. It also tells you that you do not have to write incomplete sentences. The links included are to a website for the definition of conflict in literature, a website on the types of conflict in literature, a website talking about the elements of a story, and a website that goes over 5 types of conflict with examples. On the first page, you are required to find definitions for the following terms: conflict, internal conflict, external conflict, man versus man conflict, man versus self conflict, man versus technology conflict, man versus nature conflict, and man versus society conflict. On the next page, you need to explain how does conflict keep a story going. You are required to explain yourself. You also must answer, how does conflict lead to a story's resolution? This will also require you to explain yourself. The last question on this page asks you to place the caution icon on the plot diagram where a story's conflict is usually introduced. You will need to click this icon and move it to the appropriate place on this diagram. On the next page, it tells you, after watching each of the following Disney clips, click the underlined text to activate the links. Place each clip in the appropriate box on the table. For example, if the clip shows a character in conflict with another character, drag that clip to the man versus man box. So, for example, you will click the link, which will activate this link. You will head to YouTube to watch the appropriate clip. And when you finish, you will drag the clip to the appropriate box. When you've finished, you will head back to Blackboard and click this link to turn in your WebQuest. You will need to enter your email address, your first name and last name, your homeroom, and the link for your WebQuest. So you'll go back to your WebQuest, click Share, get Shareable Link. Make sure that anyone who has the link can comment. Click Copy Link, and paste that link below here. Once you've done that, click Submit, and you will get a confirmation page saying thank you for submitting your assignment.